Hello everyone. Today we are going to speak about English listening skills. Listening is one of the most important skills when learning a new language. It helps you understand others and improves your speaking abilities too. In today's video, I will share with you some tips that will make listening to English easier and more enjoyable. First, try to listen to English every day. It can be podcasts, movies, or even YouTube videos. The more you listen, the more familiar the language becomes. Next, don't worry if you don't understand everything. It's okay. Start with simple content, and as you improve, you can move to more complex materials. Also, try listening to things you enjoy, like your favorite songs or TV shows. This will make it easier to follow and fun at the same time. Finally, try listening without looking at subtitles sometimes. This will help you focus more on the sounds and words. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep listening, and your skills will improve over time. Let's try it now. Listen to a short sentence in English and repeat it after me. Ready? This topic is practical and useful for learners who want to improve their English listening skills in everyday situations.